Hey everyone, and welcome back to your crypto market update. So a lot has actually happened in the past 24 hours, so let's go through it in this video. So we just look at the Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin made a nice move. It broke out of this 200-day moving average, went as high as 87,000. It's now currently sitting at $86,000. Now we did get some good news from the FOMC meeting today. I will go through it in this video. But as for price action for Bitcoin, I would like it to hold the 84K level as it is the monthly open. So I do suspect that the price action of Bitcoin tomorrow will probably come back to retest this level before getting a bounce and moving back to the upside again. Okay, so Jerome Powell was speaking at the FOMC meeting today. He says that inflation is rising partially due to President Trump's tariffs. Now, he did mention in the speech that he thinks the inflation due to the tariffs will be transitory. So Federal Reserve leaves interest rates unchanged, remains at 4.25% and 4.5%. So he also mentioned that he's going to slow down the rate of quantitative tightening, which is obviously good for markets. So in the FOMC meeting, he did say, beginning in April, the committee will slow the pace of decline of its security holdings by reducing the monthly redemption cap on Treasury securities from 25 billion to 5 billion. The committee will maintain the monthly redemption cap on agency debt and agency mortgage-backed securities at 35 billion. So this is obviously good for markets, and there is a good correlation between when quantitative tightening ends and when alt season begins. So Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse declares victory after SEC officially drops lawsuit. The case has ended, it's over. So this is obviously very good for XRP holders. Also, just in, Solana's first ETFs to launch in the US tomorrow. So this is obviously very, very good news, but don't get overly excited because these ETFs that are launching tomorrow are just futures ETFs. So this obviously won't pump the price of Solana too much, but it's definitely a step in the right direction to eventually get a spot ETF for Solana. So we also see that President Trump is speaking at the Digital Assets Summit tomorrow. Now just be wary because normally in the past we've seen Donald Trump speak at these events. It's normally a sell the news event. So in my opinion, the market probably will stay bullish, and once Donald Trump's speech ends, you might see a little bit of a sell-off in the crypto markets. But like I said in the start of the video, let's hope that the Bitcoin price holds the monthly open level at 84,000. So there you have it, folks. That's all the news I have for you today. If you got value out of this one, please go down, smash up the like button, and I will see you tomorrow.